Doing good, I'm your host Jason, and welcome to my Uimagic AI website builder tutorial. Uimagic is a platform that allows users to create a website in no time. All you'll need to do is simply type in a few texts, and from there you can generate a website using their AI feature. Now, to get started, all you'll need to do once on uimagic.io, you're going to select pricing from the top navigation bar. After selecting pricing, you can see that they offer a free plan. With their free plan, you will be able to publish one website. Now, if it is a case that you would like to remove their Uimagic banner and so on and get a custom domain, you can go onto their paid plan, which starts off at $29 per month. But for this example, we will be using the free plan. So you're going to select free right there. Then after doing that, you can enter in your login information. So let me do that real quick and then we can continue with this tutorial. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, I want you to close the pop-up. Then you can see that you're provided with three options. You can use Uimagic to create websites, pop-ups, and also stories. But we're going to be using it to create a website for this example. So you're going to tap on create new project. Then we're going to tap on website and landing page. After selecting website and landing page, you have two options that can be used on the free plan. You can either create a website from scratch or you can start with a template. And we're going to be starting with a template. So after you have tapped on choose template, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you can see the different categories that you can choose from. So you can select any one of these categories. Now, keep in mind that they also have paid templates. So what I would recommend you do is tap on free from the top navigation bar. After you have tapped on free, you can scroll down and you can select any one of these templates that you like. As you can see that you have quite a few options that you can select from. Now let's say for example's sake, I would like to use this one. I will tap on start with this design. After you have tapped on start with this design, you're going to give it a few seconds while your website is being created in the background. Once the website has been created, you will be redirected to the editor page. On the editor page, it is quite straightforward and easy to edit. For example, if you would like to make changes to the top navigation bar, you can tap on the current navigation bar and from there you could delete a text or so on. Or you can change the text from the left hand menu option right here. So let's say for example I wanted to change that to simple. I could do that. So let me do that right there. As you can see right there. And I could change the text style and so on. And by the way, if it is a case that you would like to add a particular section, all you'll need to do is tap on the plus. Then from there, you can view the different blocks that you can add. And again, when you go over to the left hand menu option, you can select free. And from there, you'll see all of the free blocks that you can quickly add. And you can tap on a particular block that you would like to add. And you can use this concept to continue editing your website by tapping on each section. You can make any changes you want. So if it is a case that you would like to change the text, you can tap right here. Better yet, the image, you can tap right there on the image. Then from there, you could tap right here and you could change the background image if you want. You could also make the image clickable by tapping on the link icon. And you can also tap on this icon right here. And if it is a case that you would like to make it global or multi-language, better yet, as I don't remember what make it global mean, forgive me for that, but you can make it multi-language if you want, or you can make a slider. Now, if you would like to add more elements, you can go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on the plus. And from here, you can see different elements that you can add. Keep in mind, any one of the elements that you see with a red dot, that means that you would have to be a paid user to use that particular element. But there are numerous elements that you can use for free. Another thing that you can also do is if you were to go over to the left hand menu option, you can see all of the blocks that are currently on your website. So if you would like to rearrange a block, For example, let's say you would like this to be the first thing that users see when they come onto your website. You can simply drag and place it. And if you would like to change the theme color, you can tap on the paintbrush icon, and from there you can edit the theme color. As you can see right here, you can change it to whatever liking you have. Another thing that you can also do is by going down to the bottom left hand corner, you could tap right here where you see the page icon, and from there you could change the default view. And also let me show you something else to add sections. So let's say, for example, I would like to add a section right here. You could tap there, then tap on free once more. After you have tapped on free, you can see the different blocks that you can use. You could select layouts and you could see the different layouts also. If we were to tap on free, you can see it right there. But we're going to be using blocks. And let's say, for example's sake, I would like to add this block. All I would need to do is tap on it, and you can see that it has been added just like that. It is quite easy to use this website builder and to edit it. You can scroll down to the footer section, tap on add new block, and from there you could add a new block in the footer section if you want. Once you're finished and everything is to your liking, and by the way, if it is a case that you would, for example, like to change the pages or add pages, all you'll need to do is tap on the hamburger icon in the top left hand corner. Then from there you can see the page that it has. At the moment it only has the home page since this is a landing page, but you can add more pages by tapping on add new page. After you have tapped on add new page, you could put in the page title, and you can also type out your description right there, and then you can select whether you like to save it as a draft or you would like to publish it. You can also add new posts. You could tap on add new post and you could type out a new post. You can also set up pop-up and alerts once you're on a paid plan. And if you would like to edit the menu, you can tap on menus, and from here you'll be able to rearrange the menu and you'll be able to add new pages to the menu. Once everything is to your liking, what you're going to do next, you're going to tap on the icon in the bottom left hand corner. Then you'll tap on go to dashboard. So let's do that real quick, but before doing that, we're going to tap on update to save it. So we'll tap on update in the bottom right hand corner. Then we're going to tap on go to dashboard. Now once on the dashboard, you can see our website right here. So all you'll need to do to publish your website, you will tap on the three dots. Then from here you can tap on publish, and you will be provided with a subdomain. So you can tap on choose, and you could type out the subdomain that you would want. Then you will tap on submit. Once you have tapped on submit, your website will now be live. So if you were to tap here, so let me do that, and simply tap on this icon, and from there you'll be able to open your website. After you have done that, you can see how it looks right here. So this is my website at the moment. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.